Welcome to the Food Daily channel. First, grate one large onion finely. Now, squeeze out all the onion juice. Get 350 grams minced chicken and 150 grams fat ready. Combine onion with chicken and fat. Season with salt, coriander, and red pepper. Add a pinch of melted saffron for color. Mix well by hand until it's all even. Grab a freezer bag for shaping the kebab. Shape the mixture into kebabs in the freezer bag. Heat oil in a pan. Fry 5 minutes each side till golden. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. It's ready. Enjoy your kebab. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.